Hey guys, my name's Toby Sammer and I'm joined with a very special guest today, so go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Oliver Summer back here again. I don't know why I had to introduce myself because you all know me by now. Anyway, as Toby said, we're going to be taking a look at this faulty Nintendo DS Lite. See, the problem with it is it's not turning on. So, for example, look, I'm flicking this and there's nothing happening on there. There's nothing happening. Now, obviously, if you end up pressing this, like on this one here, if you end up flicking that, it will turn the system on. But with this one, there's nothing happening. So you see, it's not turning on. So we've tried. Well, to begin with, we tried putting it into the recovery mode that the 3DS systems had. It made no difference. I've also tried it. We've also tried it with a game card in and a game card out. So we've tried all we can, but we cannot get this stupid thing to work, and we don't know what the problem with it is. Now I'm scanning the areas here. Now I recognise that port there. That is the charger slot, and I know that when I charged this one up, I had a charger. So rather than just making the whole process hard for us, I'm just gonna plug in a charger that I've got, because obviously I've already got a charger for it. So obviously it makes it really easy. So we're gonna plug it in and we're gonna see what's going on with it. Just plug it in. Now, hopefully, I don't know what the off chance of this working is, but we will do it anyway. We're going to do it anyway, and oh my god, that hinge is cracking, so we might have to look at getting that replaced. Oh, there we go. We've got a light. The light. So let's see if we can... Oh. We got the charge light, so... So it's charging. Okay. Alright. Okay, right, so we've already ran into another problem. So it's charging, but it's not turning on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave... So what we're going to do? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to leave this charging for a little bit, and then we're going to come back in a little bit and test it again, see if it works. Right. Yep, that's not... I don't know why that's not powering on, I think. I wonder if what's causing it to not to power on. I'm wondering if it might be registering like some kind of input or something, because this DS hasn't been charged for many years. So I'm wondering if now that might be, it might not charge. Is there even a battery in this? Because this thing is aged. So trying to turn it on. So as you can see, it's working. It's definitely charging so far. So what we've got here is it's charging, but it's not turning on. So if we, I think. Oh. There we go, it's coming on now. Alright. So I'm just putting in my name. Just month is the 6th. Wait, what day is it? Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, it's booting up now, which is great. It shows it's working. But one thing I don't...
So yeah, so you can see it's working. So it's all working now. We've got it mended so far.
But one thing I don't remember, which this is something I really am not sure I remember. One thing I don't remember is just seeing all this black stuff. Okay, maybe if we turn it back on. Okay. There we go. So it's working. Yeah. See, one thing I don't remember seeing is Actually, no. This definitely did not have all this black stuff. I don't remember seeing all this black stuff. I think that might have come from the screens. But we've got it on, which is pretty good. We got it on.
So what's the cause of all this?
I don't know. Wait, what? So I'm just going to test a few components on this thing, see if it all works. See if I can... Actually, no, the DS Lite was never really known for reading DS cartridges while the system was on, so... There we go. There we go, drawn to life. Let's see if it works. Yep. Right. Okay. Drawn to life.
There we go.
Right, so we know the game card slot works. Right. Let's see what else we've got. We've got the settings. Yeah.
Yeah.
Touch screen. Yep, so all that's working. Yeah. Do you know what I really like about the DS, about the 3DS line? How you just go to the darn home menu, you never power the system off. So, overall, this DS is definitely back to normal now. It's definitely back to normal. Everything works as normal. Just probably going to shut down my system again. Yep, so this has been a massive experience. I just don't remember seeing all this black stuff, all this blemish on the screen. Like this weird glitchy black stuff. Like, see, there's some black stuff down there. There's some black stuff on there as well. I don't remember seeing any of that. Like,
Right, well that's been a very interesting repair experience. So we'll thank you guys for watching and we'll see you guys later. Bye.